Hello viewers, welcome back to our channel Devintelle. Last video we looked about website homepage of new homes effortless living. But in this video we will see how to book your housekeeping planning. So let's see about that. When you scroll down, then display here double three plans: standard home cleaning, deep clean package, and office maintenance. If you want to interested in this, then easily use this few package and display here this all details related to this plan. Standard home cleaning, so $IT, and what's included in, so deep clean bathroom, dust or surface, sanitize kitchen counter and vacuum floor. So you can easily use this button if you want to book this package. Then first of all, three step available. First of schedule, second one is your info, and third one is your review. So here only display just schedule, so you can easily select here branch, like I want here downtown HQ. Select here the state, like a 12, and easily select here this time slot. So morning shift, I want 9 to 12. And now easily click on this next button. So easily move in schedule is first step is completed, and now move into second step. It means fill here your info. So your name is the admin, phone number, email, and your address. Now review this and display here first and second step totally completed, and now move into third review. So review and confirm package with price, schedule for 12 June, and also available here this time slot. If you want to edit these details, then easily use this edit details button. And now confirm this and check out. So display here your billing address with admin and United States of, and also display here this your order summary, total one item, subtotal $80, and extra added taxes 12. So display here this total amount 92, and now easily confirm it. Easily pay now, and now display here your created reference number is a 66. Display here your payment has been successfully processed. And if you want to print this order receipt, then easily use this print button. So now click on this and display here this as a PDF format. Again back to website. Now go to your housekeeping app, go to your appointment and display here your appointment, created appointment. Now open it and display here in details. But we will see in next video. If you found this helpful, do it like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching this video.